Alright guys, behind me is the 40 with the cab all fresh and painted. So unfortunately we're not going to release what it looks like just yet, so we're going to switch this to black and white. But without further ado, alright guys, body is on. It is headed back to KRS painted for the very first time. We're going to get the doors hung on it later this week, and that should just piece together this thing nicely. Wish I could show you guys the color. Unfortunately, as you know, this is black and white for a good reason. You'll have to see the color at the Roaster Show, March 12th to the 14th. So come on by, see the Pandemic 40. It's going to be awesome. See you guys soon.